In today's video, I'm going to share with you 15 things that every woman needs to know about. So I finally broke down and bought one of these after all summer having everyone in my house ask me, is the dishwasher clean or dirty? These, you've probably seen them before. They're magnets that you can put on your appliances. And this one I got because it was stainless steel, so I thought it would look really good with my dishwasher. When your dishes are dirty, it slides over to say dirty. If it's clean, you just slide it over so everyone in your house knows if the dishes are clean or dirty. So if you're looking for any item in today's video, I want to show you how you can get there. There's going to be an arrow over here that you can click on and my description box is going to drop down. I will have links to every product that you can click on and it will take you directly to those products. If you're watching me on your TV, and I know several of you do, you can scan this QR code right here with your phone and it will take you directly to the products as well. In one of our last YouTube videos, I asked you, what are some of your best tricks to save money, hacks you use around your house? And you guys had some great suggestions. Lisa had a great hack. She said that she uses clothespins as chip clips. I do this exact same thing. You can buy a pack of these at Walmart, Dollar Tree for so inexpensive, and they make the most perfect chip clips. Let me know if you do this hack. Now, if you're wanting to cook something for dinner and you forgot to take it out of the freezer, that's the worst. You think, okay, I have to scramble and cook something else. This gadget is really gonna help. This is a defrosting tray that cuts down on the time to defrost your meats. It's made from a highly conductive, food-safe aluminum that will help to defrost your food in half the time. Let me know if this is something you could use in your house. One of the simplest things I do every day to feel my best is drink Live It Up Super Greens. And I want to thank Live It Up for sponsoring today's video. Live It Up Super Greens support less bloat and digestive health, and it helps me to have more consistent energy. It's packed with 20 superfoods, and you can drink it with a scoop in water, or you could put it in juice or your favorite smoothie. It's also made with organic vegetables. This is the wild berry option. I find that taking super greens is something easy I can do every morning. If you've tried drinking greens in the past and you don't love the flavor, I think the Live It Up wild berry taste is really great, or you could always add it to a smoothie. If I can get in my Live It Up in the morning, I feel like I've really done my part to jumpstart my day and get in the vitamins and nutrients that I need. If you'd like to give Live It Up a try, I have a coupon code for 15% off your first order, plus free shipping and a free money back guarantee. Now my code is Liz15 that you can use at checkout. You can also scan this QR code right here and it's gonna take you directly to Live It Up site, or I will put the link for you down in the description box below. If you love a loofah like I do, this may be an item you need. So these are drawstring loofahs that I bought off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 2. What's cool about these is you can put any soap into this loofah. So find your favorite soap. You can even use handmade soaps, put them in here, and then you're going to close it up with the drawstring. And then you put this little piece down and then hang it up in your shower. It will lather up with the soap inside. When you're done with your soap, you can open it up. You can launder these, just make sure you hang them to dry. This is such a cool little item that I love having in my purse. So often I am needing to take off my jewelry, either to put in my purse. Also, sometimes when I'm traveling, I need to take off just a few pieces of jewelry. I can place them in here and then it's not too big. It's not a big jewelry case and it'll fit directly into my purse. Now, if you're like me and you like wearing sets, I think having one of these connector hooks is really important just to keep your 2 items together. I bought these in a large pack off of Amazon. I just put them on my hanger and then I could place another hanger on here so I can keep the top with the bottoms. But we've tried many hacks to do this ourselves without buying these little connector pieces. I showed you how you could use pop tabs, and Judy had this great suggestion telling us that a lot of cans have larger pop tabs. So we found this one on a soup can, and she is definitely right. This is a little bit larger, so it fits on better and a little bit easier to put on than the pop tab. And you don't have to spend any money, just save these whenever you get them. So we all have to have tissue box sitting out, but they're not the cutest, and I don't like a lot of those acrylic tissue box holders. So when I was looking on Amazon, I found something that I had to order. It was pretty affordable. It's a faux leather tissue box cover, and it comes in a bunch of colors. I went with kind of more of a boring color, this cream one, but you place it over your tissue box. I just think that looks so much nicer. The Ninja Crispy has been my new favorite kitchen gadget, especially this time of year. This portable air fryer works just as good as your larger one. Let me show you. Anything you would cook in an air fryer, you can cook in here. I have my chicken breasts in here. I'm going to drizzle them with a little olive oil. Then just add on your favorite seasonings. Next, you're gonna snap on the lid and set it to crisp. There's 4 different modes. I'm gonna set mine to air fryer at 20 minutes. Then I'll just press start. This chicken looks perfect. It only took 20 minutes to cook. This is going to save so much time, plus it cuts down on the mess. It comes with a lid so you can easily store it in the fridge. For smaller meals, it also comes with a 6-cup container. It can be so frustrating when you don't have the right charger to charge your items up. That's why I love this retractable charger. This retractable charger is so amazing. It has 2 retractable cords, a lightning cable, and a USB-C. And it also has 2 USB ports. I feel like everybody needs this, and I'm gonna link it for you down below. If you're having a sleepover or movie night, these Snackle boxes are the best to have a little bit of variety, and I just found it in this pink color. Now, if you're wanting to find this box or anything I'm showing you in today's video, I will put a link down in the description box that will take you directly to this item, or I'm gonna put the QR code right here that you can scan to go and find these items. Let me show you how I put together this sleepover Snackle box. If you're somebody who likes to pick out your clothes for the week and have them labeled, these are great little labels. They are key tags that you can get at Walmart. You could get them probably at most stores, but I'm going to label those with each day of the week, and then I can place them onto my clothes so I know exactly what I'm wearing each day. I've been wearing this skirt so much because it's just so comfortable. This little white skirt comes in a ton of colors, but it's actually shorts underneath, which is so great for skirts. It also has the most comfortable elastic waistband. I've been throwing it on with different tank tops that I have. This is one that's fairly inexpensive off of Amazon, and I'm just wearing it with some white sandals. One of the ways I save time and money is to make little Snackle lunch boxes up ahead of time. I find that it keeps me from eating out more, and I can do several at once. This is also great for kids or back to school. So this one I really like because it has 5 different compartments and it comes in a pack of 4. So let's fill these up. Have you ever wondered how people film themselves or take pictures on their phones? It's typically with one of these. These little suction cup things are called Octobuddies, and you can put it on the back of your phone, and then these will stick on any mirror. They stick on glass or a window, and it's a great way that you can film yourself or take a picture. So I have 2 different ones. This is the Octobuddy. It's a little bit more expensive. This was the original one. So you just stick it onto the back of your phone like this, and then you can place it onto the mirror. And then I can just have my camera and take pictures of myself, or I can do a video. This was one that I got on Amazon that's a dupe that was a way better deal, but it works pretty much the same. So I had a problem. I bought a pair of Bombas socks and fell in love with them. And if you've ever bought Bombas socks, they are so expensive. And I really wanted some more, but I just wasn't going to spend $20 for a pair of socks. So that led me to searching on Amazon for a dupe, something that was comparable. And I think that I knocked it out of the park. I found this pack of 6 socks that I think are so comparable. The first thing they have is this heel protector that I love on the Bombas Bombas socks. So you still get your low-rise socks, but that heel protector is just really going to help if you like wearing tennis shoes that may rub on the back of your heel. They also have compression around your arch support, just like the Bombas socks. I mean, these look practically identical, and you get 6 of them for under $15. Such a good deal, and I was so excited to find these. These macaroons are such a cute way to store small items in your purse. They pop open and then you can put little things in here. I find that they're really good for putting Tylenol or my vitamins in there. I can just put a couple in, pop it in my purse, and have it whenever I need it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite hacks are. I learned so much from you, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.